We've got the integral of x²e⁴x dx, and this is a clear product in the integrand, which indicates we're working with an integration by parts problem, and so we can start by letting u equal x². The derivative of u would then be 2x. Our dv value would be e⁴x, and when we integrate that to get v, we end up with e⁴x over 4. Now, because this is integration by parts, we'll go across and then down over. And so what we're left with then is x² e⁴x all over 4 minus the integral. We've got a 2 here, we've got a 4 there, so that'll be 2 over 4 out front, which is 1/2. And then we'll have e⁴x times x dx in the integral. And now we've got once more another product where we can let u equal x. The derivative of u is then the derivative of x. And then dv will equal e⁴x again, which we've already integrated here. So v is e⁴x over 4 once again. And because it's integration by parts a second time now, we'll go across the top and then down over. We'll rewrite all of this. We'll say x² e⁴x over 4 minus 1/2 times now x e⁴x over 4 minus, again, the integral of, this time we just have a 4 here, so we just 1/4 e⁴x dx. And this again we've already integrated here, so that will be straightforward. So we write this all again, x² e⁴x over 4 minus 1/2 times x e⁴x over 4 minus 1/4 times e⁴x over 4, which is the integral of just e⁴x. Now, one thing to note is because this is an indefinite integral, we must add a constant at the end now. And all that's left to do is to distribute this and simplify. So let's go ahead and do that. So we've got x² e⁴x over 4 minus, we'll start over here, distribute that. That becomes 1/2 x e⁴x over 4 minus e⁴x over 16, again plus c. And then finally, we'll have x² e⁴x over 4 minus x e⁴x over 8, just by multiplying that over. Multiply it over once more, and we'll change this negative and this negative into a positive. e⁴x over 16 times 2 is 32, plus c. And of course, another way that you may see this written, if you recognize the pattern of e⁴x and then multiples of 4 in the denominators, is you could write this as e⁴x over 4 times x² minus x over 2 plus 1 over 8. Again, plus c at the end. Either way, both of these answers are generally acceptable as the solution to this integral. If you have any questions, or if you have any other problems you'd like me to tackle, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.